Identifying the security flaws that leave websites open to malicious attacks has never been a greater priority. What's frustrating is that security scanners generate countless reports only for follow-up investigations to find that no vulnerability exists. It's just another false positive, prolonging the process of securing web applications against attackers. If you're tired of endless cry-wolf false positives, Netsparker has a time-saving solution: proof-based scanning. The Netsparker Web Application Security Scanner uses a unique detection and safe exploitation system that, for the first time, allows proof-based scanning to accurately identify vulnerabilities. It's based on a simple concept: if a vulnerability can be exploited, it cannot be a false positive. Here's how it works. Netsparker scans web applications and automatically attempts to exploit vulnerabilities in a safe, read-only way. On identifying, for example, an SQL injection vulnerability, it extracts data from the database. Finally, it generates a proof of exploit to prove that data can be extracted should an attack exploit the vulnerability, and highlights the impact it would have. With proof-based scanning, you can forget false positives and focus on what matters: confirmed vulnerabilities. What's more, ease of use means you can assign scanning to less technical staff and let senior engineers get on with writing code and fixing identified flaws. Kill the drudgery. Make web application security fun again. Only with Netsparker's automation can your team go home on time with a smile on their faces. Several world-renowned businesses from a wide variety of industry verticals have chosen Netsparker to automatically identify vulnerabilities in their web applications and web services. What about you? Contact us to arrange a free trial.